Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Straw Hat Engineers. Today is the day 1 of the challenge. My favorite salads at Chick-fil-A are number 1 Chipotle Southwest salad and number 2 the Cobb salad. So today I'm gonna go with Chipotle Southwest salad. It has a total of 250 calories and less than 20 carbs overall. And I usually don't prefer eating many toppings over here. So yeah, let's go inside. Here are the toppings we got along with the salad. We have tortilla strips, which is 70 calories and 8 grams of carbs. Italian dressing sauce, which by itself is 25. The lime peptides are 60 calories. And then we have the lime west salad itself. This is spicy chicken that they have here. On a scale of 1 to 10, it would be a 4 out of 10 spice level. And it is very delicious. My view, Southwest salad is one of the best salads in the whole universe because of its low calorie value and low carb content. It's also tasty and so filling at the same time that if you have it either for your lunch or for your dinner, you're already easily satisfied. So if I need more energy for my workouts, I also like to add the Chick-fil-A nuggets on the side or a cup of fruit salad. That way you have enough energy to go for your workouts and stuff. We have the spicy chicken, we have the black beans, corn, and then we have greens. A lot of them in the bottom. Yummy. Those of you who don't mind a few extra calories can also get Chipotle avocado lime sauce from Chick-fil-A, which is extremely delicious. First bite, and I already feel good. For each day, we will be tracking the progress based on the following parameters. The number one is calories, number 2 is carbs, number 3 is total workout done or total number of steps taken in the whole day, and number 4 is what is the total weight loss. I am having 2 meals during each of these days, and usually I try to keep my total calories under 1500 and I try to keep my carbs under 50. Main goal is to have a lot of energy while I also lose a little bit of my weight. So let's see how much weight I will lose from day number 1 till day number 7. As far as day number 1, meal number 2 goes, I went and had a nice kale Caesar salad from Sweet Greens. It's a 400 calorie and 14 carb salad. It has a lot of kales, cheese strips, Roman tomatoes. It's very, very tasty. As of now, I consumed less than 1200 calories and my total carbs in fact are less than 25. So day number 1 is a huge success. Also, I have successfully finished my 10,000 steps of workout, so can't wait to check my weight tomorrow morning. Let's see then. Good morning everyone. So had a great sleep. It's very important weight loss journey that you get enough amount of sleep and also you drink a lot of water. So let's go check what the weight is. My weight is at 179.2 pounds, 81.5 kilograms. When you're on a diet like this, your liver is gonna lose a lot of sodium very fast. So make sure you consume enough amount of sodium every single day, and adding salt to the water is one of the best ways to add electrolytes to your body. I will drink my daily 1 liter of water and I will be heading to office. I fill up 2 half-liter bottles like this. I add 1/4 teaspoon of salt in the water. I won't be eating any breakfast because I prefer to do intermittent fasting for at least 12 hours on every single day.